Hi, my name is Harry. I'm from the Philippines, and I was looking for a scoliosis specialist, and I found it in the internet in Bones and Beyond. And I gave communication to the Bones and Beyond clinic, and Dr. Hugh responded to me quickly, very quickly, and we had a great conversation. And from that conversation, he explained to me more detail how scoliosis formed, and that's when I decided to come over to Vietnam. And in Vietnam, I visited this clinic and I saw different types of patients, from the very young and also for the elderly. And I had some interviews for the elderly, and they gave positive feedback. And so I decided to do the treatment, and after 14 days, there was a very good result coming out from my x-ray. And I also had my brace, and if you want, and I can show it to you, this one. And it really fits me well. And so I'm very grateful for Dr. Hill for this treatment and for the brace and for everything else. And by the way, with regards to the pain of the treatment, Dr. Hugh handled me well. Their staff, everyone there, there was not much pain. And then you just have to push yourself, and you will get positive results. So I hope, I would really recommend, and everyone who has scoliosis, who had bone degeneration, to come over to Dr. Hugh and be treated. And I would say he's a good doctor. Thank you so much, Dr. Hugh, for your treatment. And indeed, it was really a memorable and really a wise investment for my health. And by the way, I had my brace here done by Dr. Hill, and it was really personally made by them. So this is not commercially available, personally made by them. So it really fits you, what you are, the mold you have. Okay, so again, so I'd like to recommend everyone to come over here to visit Dr. Hill for any problem with your spine.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Hugh, and I was very, very fortunate to have such a hardworking and dedicated patient in Harry. I explained everything to him, and he did everything with no complaint, like a champ. And we got some really amazing result. His S-curve was able to reduce down to 1 degree on the top and then 1 degree at the bottom, with a lot of derotation of the vertebrae, which is extremely difficult to do. And he gets that kind of result because he put a lot of effort into the treatment, and he understands what he has to do, and he didn't even complain, not even once. And so from this point on, I think if we do everything correctly, even when Harry's in his 80s or 90s, there should not be any severe bone, disc, or joint degeneration in his spine. And I think if we can achieve the short-term, medium-term, and long-term goal, I think he's going to have a very, very healthy life, and hopefully he can live to be 100. Thank you very much, and take care, everyone.